am back with another video. How are you? And this video is going to be about how to look younger than your natural age. I know I have done videos before focusing in this topic, and my videos actually are mostly how to prevent or slow down the aging process to look younger, and that is my expertise. And so I want to release information to you how to keep a youthful look. Oxygenation is the must and the key to maintain a youthful look, to look younger than your natural age. Not just your looks, but your internal body, your cardiovascular system, your internal organs, your brain. If you don't have proper circulation in your body, which diminish the activation of circulating blood in your system when we become mature. That's why a lot of people start experiencing cardiovascular system, because the blood is not moving properly. And when the body is struggling because of lack of oxygen and lack of proper circulation, that's when the body starts getting sick. And but we're going to be talking about how to repair the skin from the outside while giving oxygenation. And I'm going to talk about two products. I am going to say, oh my gosh, oh my goodness, a product that I found. I went to a training and I was giving a sample and I tried it, and my skin was like pink, glowing, just when, you know, a little girl, the skin is always, a little girl, a little boy, the skin is always pink because it is so oxygenated. I tried the sample, and to my surprise, my skin was so glowing and pink. And I had find the information of this product, which I'm going to show you. It's a product that is sold in the UK, but you could order it. It is a little expensive, but I have another alternative for the girls that cannot afford it. So, once again, oxygenation, it is a must and a key to maintain a healthy body. And so this product I'm going to show you, it's ideal to repair the skin. It is ideal to accelerate oxygenation and improve the production of collagen and elastin. Without oxygenation, your skin sags. That's the bottom line. No proper circulation. Circulation is what's going to give you oxygenation to the cells, to your whole body. If you don't have enough oxygenation, your brain is not going to function properly. Your memory is going to decline. It will make the skin sag because the cells are dying slowly. So let me show you the product over here. And I didn't open it. I did try the sample that it was given to me and during a training, and I like it so much that I went and purchased, and it arrived, actually arrived yesterday. I haven't opened yet, and this is the box, and it's from Harrods store, which I like purchasing things there. The clothing, I have never purchased skincare, but I purchased clothing, which you know, I like it very much. The service is incredible. So I am going to open this with you, and I'm going to show you. Let's see here, 1 minute. Okay. Already, and it comes wrapped in this bubble padding. See here. So, okay, so this is the box, and inside is the amazing product. It's a facial mask, and the company, what it does to formulate this special product that is also used on space. The astronauts use this product, and so they use a cutting-edge technology to produce crystallization, and at the same time they use two components to produce carbonic acid and to produce at the same time CO2 to push into the skin, regenerating the skin, and accelerating the oxygenation of the skin cells. Therefore, the production of collagen and elastin will be emphasized. So also they have formulated with great amounts of ceramides, which all ceramides are very good to prevent the deflation of the skin. Okay, so opening, this has been wrapped so carefully. Okay, so I am going to show you. Okay, so it comes in this box like this, and so it is a CO crystallization energy mask that, like I said, it helps to repair very dull aging skin. And the company is not paying me for this review. I bought it with my own money. Lucky for them, because they're gonna be having more sales. Anyways, it comes in these little envelopes, and actually it's another one here. So you mix these together, these two together, to activate, and then you apply it on the skin, and when you apply it on the skin, it will become like crystallized, and just leave it until those crystals are completely showing on your skin. And for about 40 minutes I left it, and it looks like your face is crystallized. So make sure everything is crystallized, and then you wash your skin and proceed with your skin regimen. So it comes about 1, 2, 3, 4. It is $200, 5 treatments, actually 5 treatments for $200, and it's the company name is 111SKIN, Harley Street, London, crystallizing energy mask. We'll put all the information in the description box. So I know it sounds expensive, but it is incredible product to restore really damaged skin. And I have another one that I'm going to show you, because this is like under probably $50. It's Bliss company that is called the Triple Oxygen Instant Energizing Foaming Mask. I tried this one here. It's awesome. The same thing, it makes your skin really pink. The only difference with this, it is the oxygen boosters that they have used in this formula, such as vitamin C, vitamin E. They have used botanicals. They also have used soy protein, which soy protein using externally is super good for sagging skin. It helps to firm the skin, and also using internally. Soy protein is that should be micronized and filtered in order to work internally. That is why, Asian women, they always look young. Soy is very rejuvenating, and the amino acids in soy, it will help to repair those protein fibers of your own skin. Therefore, the elastin and the collagen will be regenerated to prevent the sagging of the skin. And so I know there are a lot of contradictions about using soy, but once again, there are no clinical studies that exactly proves that soy should not be eaten by human. So I have used soy for years and years, and I'm still using it, and I will continue using it. But anyways, that's one of the ingredients in this formula, and it is a foam, and you leave it until the foam completely dries up, about 40 minutes, the same thing, and it comes in this pump right here. Now the technology is different than the 111 skin. This technology is much more advanced, so that is why it's more expensive. When you pay a lot of money, it's because the company had invested also money to develop a technology, and the more advanced technology, the more money you're going to pay. So but I think this one here, I don't remember paying $46. I think it's $46. But this also brings oxygenation to your skin. And this is the video for today, my girls. And I am going to do another fashion clip for you guys, because I think you guys are enjoying it. And I had changed my wardrobe completely. Winter and summer clothing, I had to buy some more. Also my sporty clothing, my pocketbooks, I had bought more. And so I had changed everything, and all the clothes I had donated to Goodwill, because I know there are a lot of people that they will be happy to use them. If they have to go and buy there, it's less money. But yeah, that's what I did this year, starting with a new wardrobe and with a better attitude to push this year, with more double energy to accomplish things, and to be able to bless people. And so I'll be having more videos with fashion, and so that you guys don't get bored. I think some of my videos, it's a lot of educational information, and sometimes it could get a little boring, so I am going to mix with fashion as well. Okay, my friends, you stay tuned for the clip of the fashion, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.